Also, once you start practicing some handwriting patterns, you will automatically start attracting the right people for you in your life. Miraculously, people will start appearing in your life. Practice of graphology is very important. It also strengthens the spiritual area of your life. And trust me, you need these people. We all need the right people in our lives, right? We need the right partner, right guru, right friends, right colleagues, and so on and on. And trust me, you will attract all of them when you start practicing graphology correctly. This is what we do in our graphotherapy. अभी मैं आपको जो समझा रही हूँ वो सब चीज़ें, वो सब चेंजेस, ओके, स्टूडेंट को उनका बिहेवियर समझ के, उनका लाइफस्टाइल समझ के, उनके हैबिट समझ के, उनके डिसीजन मेकिंग पावर समझ के, डिसीजन के स्टाइल समझ के, आई ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट कि व्हाट दे आर लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड इन देयर लाइफ एंड अकॉर्डिंगली we suggest the changes in their handwriting, and this process is called as graphotherapy. Fourth point is choose the right career or choose the right work area. The work area that we choose matters a lot. I think one third and even more of your daily life is spent in this area. How you invest this time makes a lot of effect in your life. Do you invest this time doing work which adds energy into you or drains your energy out? Do you like what you are doing or are you just getting by? Did you have the desire to do something else from your childhood? Do you still wish that you could have done that? Did you have the desire to become something else than what you have become now, which could have made you happier as well? Also, go ahead and you can ask yourself if you are doing the current work out of any sort of unavoidable obligation, which kind of makes you unhappy. Through handwriting, we can identify these patterns. We can also identify what kind of work would have suited you the most. What kind of work would have brought in a huge amount of money, energy, and happiness in your life. Now, fifth and very important topic is be very careful about your life partner. This one is a big one and highly recommended that you pay crucial attention to this area of your life. Your partner affects your identity. Now, that is a huge fact, and this will definitely happen. Immediately, you will also see a change in your handwriting. Your life partner is supposed to understand you, help you feel confident, help you stay satisfied while you aspire for bigger things. They are sometimes supposed to guide you as well. This one choice can make or break your life. This one choice will influence where you invest your time, intelligence, money, energy, and in many cases, everything. Let graphology help you to make this choice. Sixth important thing is find your way of meditation. Yes, the same kind of meditation is not suited for everyone. You need to understand what kind of meditation suits you. Some people cannot handle the calming kind of meditation. Some people can. Some people find themselves completely focused while doing some kind of activity. Doing the wrong kind of meditation can completely affect your mind in an adverse way. You need to understand yourself first and understand what meditation really means to you. Choose the right meditation for yourself and please do not select the style without consultation. This is very important. Consultation with the right person is very important. Seventh point is become courageous. Find your resources of courage. Find out What activities inspire courage in you? Find what people help you become courageous. Courage is one of the biggest assets one can possess. Go ahead and rate yourself on a scale of 0 to 10 how courageous you feel you are. Depression is caused only when there is a lack of courage. In graphology, there are very simple ways. A few pattern changes in your handwriting can immediately start instilling courage in you. Having the right amount of courage at the right time, at the right place is very important in our life. And this is another good skill also. Right time, right courage, and in front of right people for the righteous thing. This is a skill which everyone must learn in their life. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'm sure all the points we have discussed in this video you will be able to relate in your life. कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट करना मत भूलिएगा. आई विल बी वेटिंग फॉर योर कमेंट्स एंड फीडबैक्स. ओके, तब तक के लिए थैंक यू. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट चैप्टर में.